All right, let's try this. Man, I can't believe I missed that good one earlier.
Man, if you would have got that, that would have been like, you could have sold it like $50.
Send it to the Weather Channel or something. Hey, at least the storm's calming down. Ooh. I'm getting nothing but flashes. Is it? Oh! Please tell me I got that. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. I think I did.
That was beautiful.
Gosh, I hope I got that one. It's like the 4th of July in the sky or something.
Damn.
Ooh.
That's like scary as fuck.
Ow.
I don't know. I don't know. It's like you're right there. We are right here. Never mind.
Oh, I think I did. That was nice.
That was nice. It wasn't as nice as that one, but it was nice.
I think I got both of them. I don't know. Let me see.